Hello, friends. Good morning. Hope you're doing well. Have a great day, my friends. Enjoy yourselves. So today we will discuss some next another function in Google Sheet. As you know, Google Sheet is an awesome tool and can handle large numbers of data sets. So today, let me show you how the test text split function works. Text split function in Google Sheet. This is our today's topic. So what do you understand by text split? So you see here, guys, I have some test data here. You see in this row, if you see, we have some test data, Manu, hyphen Srivastava, comma, data science, hyphen trainer. Then we have PowerPoint, comma, Word, hyphen. As you see, lots of delimiters are used. Different types of delimiters are used. So how can we write one function and solve our equation and try to see how this test bit works? So let us write down the function. So what we do in Google Sheet, just write. So easy, guys. It's not like Excel. Excel, this will work in only 365 versions, not the older versions, and you have to do a lot of basic functions there. It is super easy. Then Google Sheets is everything is free. You have all access to all the function. So let's try this, how this works. So let's try with the split function, guys. So now let's start. So we write split and see how it works, guys. See how this works, guys. I'm trying to, finish do it quickly for you guys and see how this works. I'm writing all the delimiter, whatever we have here. And this is very easy. There's nothing to offer this. You see, guys, it's done. And just drag it, guys. Drag this formula down. Drag it to down, this formula. It's super easy. Wow, that's cool. That's awesome. So you see, guys, this is how the split function works in Google Sheet. It's super easy, guys, and it is saved in your drive. So next sessions we'll learn more about Google Sheet and more functions. So stay tuned to my channel, subscribe my channel, guys, and have fun. This is our free tutorials, and take care. Have a great day, guys. Thank you, guys.